Carla Abellana is a Filipina actress and model. She was born on June 12, 1986 in Manila, Philippines. She is the daughter of actor Ray P.J. Abellana and Rea Reyes. Her grandmother is veteran actress Delia Razon. She graduated cum laude from De La Salle University with a Bachelor of Arts degree in psychology. In 2015, she starred again with Tom Rodriguez in the film No Boyfriend Since Birth, her second film with Reyes. On October 18th of 2020, Rodriguez proposed to Abellana in an intimate proposal at Abellana's mother's home. 1 year later, on October 23, 2021, Tom and Carla tied the knot in Batangas. By the end of 2011, Abellana also appeared in 2 films, both of which are entries for the 2011 Metro Manila Film Festival, Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow and 2013's Manila Kingpin, The Asian Salanga Story. In 2014, she started in the ensemble romantic comedy by Jose Javier Reyes Somebody to Love Her alongside Matteo Godicelli and So It's You with Jesse De Vera and Tom Rodriguez. Abellana began her career as a commercial model. In 2009, she auditioned for Zorro, but GMA Network instead cast her in a lead role in Rosalinda, a remake of the Mexican telenovela of the same name. She subsequently became a model for Bench, also in 2009. In 2011, Nigel Barker photographed her for a photo shoot in the Philippine Tatler. She also appeared in the Philippine Fashion Week 2011, where she modeled clothes by Michelle Season. In 2013, she joined Sunday All Stars as a judge. Abellana is a contract star of Regal Films. She signed a 12-picture contract with the company. Her first film under Regal Films is Mamarazzi. Abellana appeared in her first horror film, which was an entry to 2010 Metro Manila Film Festival, Shake, Rattle and Roll 12. In September 2011, Abellana starred in the Regal Films film My Neighbor's Wife. She received the Best New Female TV Personality Award at the Star Awards for Television for her debut role.